Hello, this is Mike Smith in Brazil, and I'm here today for a question and answer session on how to buy property in Brazil. If you have any questions about the process of buying property here in Brazil, in terms of the documentation needed, how is money transferred into Brazil, where are the best places to invest, what type of options do you have in the property market, then please send in your comments and I'll be more than happy to address any questions, any doubts, any concerns you have with, or any advice you have regarding property investment in Brazil. I'm a Brazilian broker. I've been in the market for 13 years. I've also invested myself. I have companies. I've developed homes. I bought large areas of beachfront property for myself and my business partners. So I think I'm in a good position to offer some advice. And I know there's not a lot of current updated information about property investment in Brazil. So if you are looking to buy real estate in Brazil in 2019 and you have any questions, please comment below and I'll get back to you. Okay? If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, that's it for now. This is Mike Smith in Brazil signing out. Ciao for now.